What type of battery do I need for my key fob?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the type of battery you need for your key fob. Key fobs are small devices that allow you to remotely lock, unlock, and sometimes start your car. It's essential to have a working battery in your key fob to ensure smooth operation. So let's dive right in and find out what type of battery you need.
Identifying your key fob.
The first step in determining the type of battery you need is to identify your key fob model. Key fobs come in various shapes, sizes, and designs, so it's crucial to know which specific model you have. Check for any labels or markings on your key fob that indicate the brand, model, or battery type. You can also consult your vehicle's owner's manual for more information. Once you have this information, we can move on to the next step.
Researching the battery type.
Now that you know your key fob model, it's time to find out the specific battery type required. The best way to do this is by conducting some research. You can try any of the following methods. 1. Manufacturer's website. Visit the official website of the key fob manufacturer. They often provide detailed information about their products, including the battery type required. Look for a support section, FAQs, or a dedicated page for your key fob model. 2. Online forums and communities. Join online forums or communities related to your vehicle's make and model. These platforms are a great place to connect with other car owners who might have the same key fob. You can ask for advice or search for existing threads discussing the battery type for your key fob. 3. Online retailers. Check out online retailers that specialize in key fob batteries. They often have compatibility charts or search filters that allow you to find the right battery for your specific key fob model. Simply enter your key fob information, and they will recommend the appropriate battery type. Remember, it's crucial to have the correct battery type for your key fob to ensure proper functionality. Using the wrong battery can lead to issues like reduced range or a non-functional key fob.
Replacing the battery.
Once you have identified the correct battery type for your key fob, it's time to replace the old battery. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you with the process. 1. Gather the necessary tools. Typically, you'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the key fob. 2. Locate the battery compartment. Most key fobs have a small compartment on the back or side that houses the battery. Look for a slot or latch that allows you to access the battery. 3. Open the battery compartment. Insert the screwdriver or coin into the designated slot and gently pry open the battery compartment. 4. Remove the old battery. Take note of the battery's orientation and carefully remove it from the compartment. Dispose of the old battery properly. 5. Insert the new battery. Take the new battery, ensuring it matches the specifications of the one you removed. Place it into the compartment with the correct orientation. 6. Close the battery compartment. Gently press the battery compartment cover back into place until it clicks or securely fastens. And voila! Your key fob should now be equipped with a fresh battery. Congratulations on learning about the type of battery you need for your key fob and how to replace it. Remember, identifying the correct battery type is crucial for optimal performance. Always,